This video will show you how to fix the most common causes of poor Mopit suction. Your Mopit has a vacuum shutoff valve inside the recovery tank. When the water level gets too high in the recovery tank, the suction will stop. So the first step is to make sure that your recovery tank is drained and that the drain hose cap is on tight. Next, we need to clean the vacuum shutoff screen. You'll need a glove for this procedure. This is the vacuum shutoff assembly. It's located inside the recovery tank and sits on a 45-degree angle. 3/4 of the screen is covered in silicone. Only 1/4 of the screen allows for suction. The free-flowing part of the screen is facing up, away from where the water would be in the tank. Reach into the tank and rotate the screen so that the free-flowing portion is facing the recovery tank opening. This is how it should look. Spray off the screen. When you're done, rotate the screens back so that the free-flowing part is facing up, away from where the water would be in the tank. Don't forget to replace the cleanout cap. Next, we'll check the vacuum tube for suction. Pull out the vacuum hose from the back of the machine, turn on the vacuum switch, fill the vacuum tube hole for suction. If you don't feel any suction but you can hear the vacuum is running, then you need to spray out the vacuum tube. If after spraying out the vacuum tube you still don't feel suction, call Spectrum. Next, we need to make sure that the squeegee lift is in the down position so that the squeegee blade is touching the floor. To put the squeegee in the down position, press the squeegee lift pedal down and to the right. You should be able to see that the squeegee rubber is touching the floor. Next, make sure that there is a white squeegee wheel on each side of the squeegee bar. These wheels should be replaced when you replace the squeegee blades. Next, let's check the squeegee blades for wear. If you use your Mopit daily, your squeegee blades should be replaced every 2 to 8 weeks. Here are the splash guards. If your squeegee blades or splash guards are wavy, you need to replace them. Here you can see what a wavy squeegee looks like. Here you can see the difference between a new and a worn squeegee blade. The edges on the worn blade are rounded. Next, let's check for suction down at the squeegee bar. Have someone turn on the vacuum switch and tilt the Mopit back a little so that you can feel for suction between the two squeegee blades. Here is the suction hole between the blades. If you tip the Mopit back too far, the vacuum shutoff valve will turn off the suction. If you don't feel any suction at the squeegee bar, then your vacuum hose is likely clogged. Take the Mopit to a floor drain or to a location where water won't do damage. Pull the vacuum hose out of the back of the Mopit and flush the hose out with water. If the hose is clear, you should have water run out of the squeegee bar. If all of these steps don't restore suction to your Mopit, please call Spectrum. Our 800 number is on the dashboard of your machine.